Tokyo concert to be live-streamed globally on Friday, January 28. With the overwhelming success of the recent theatrical release of Macross 7 Live, the Macross franchise shows no signs of slowing as it enters its 40th anniversary. As part of the ongoing anniversary, Macross 7 Basara Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber supported by Sankyo opened with its first concert at ZEP Yokohama on January 9, 2022. Read all about it in the official concert report below. With tickets for the concert tour having completely sold out, its final performance at ZEP Diver City on January 28, 2022, will be live-streamed globally across 15 areas globally. Live-stream tickets go on sale today, January 13th, from 22:30. The stream will also be available for archive viewing until February 3, 2022, so don't miss this chance to listen to Basara's song. Official concert merchandise is also currently available for pre-order. Visit macross.jp for details. Macross 7 Basara Explosion 2022 Official Concert Report. Macross 7 Basara Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber supported by SANKYO Concert Report from the ZEP Yokohama show. Macross 7 Basara Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber supported by Sankyo. For concerts across 3 venues, held as part of the 40th anniversary celebrations of the Macross franchise, culminating at ZEP Diver City on Friday, January 28. To whet your appetite for the upcoming finale, which will be live-streamed around the globe, let us give you a glimpse of the ZEP Yokohama opening act. As the opening video came to a close, the roar of Basara's guitar reverberated throughout the venue. Fire! Basara Neki's voice rang out, setting off this year's explosion with his famous Listen to My Song. Behind Yoshiki Fukuyama, Basara's singing voice and guitarist, stood F-Band, comprised of Shoichiro Aso on drums, Tetsuro on bass and Ponchin on keyboard. And in answer to that passionate voice and the vibrant rock sounds behind it rose the thunderous applause and raised fists of the audience. Introducing himself as Basara's singing voice, Fukuyama declared that he would take everyone's feelings on board and carry them across the galaxy with his song, launching into Fire Bomber's rock numbers one after another. It was far from easy to stay silent in the face of the fervor on display. But Fukuyama threw himself into shouting and singing on behalf of the audience as well. The most amazing thing of all was that he did this while also playing the guitar riffs, solos, and backing tracks all on his own. And since there are numerous ad-libs in the guitar solos, each and every song Fukuyama performed became a unique piece that can only be heard on this tour. From songs where the guitar ran wild to ones where it cried, the breadth of expression he achieved was nigh unbelievable. The importance of the drums and bass, as well as the keyboard layered on top, cannot be understated either, but above all, this concert really drove home the power of Basara, of Yoshiki Fukuyama. Also memorable were elements of the performance that drew the audience into the world of Macross 7, including lines spoken by Basara himself, and the playing of songs to background footage from the series. One highlight of the night was Spiral Answer, a rare song that was seldom used in the anime series. As the sensual music and Fukuyama's soulful voice resounded through the venue, I was hit with the sheer intensity of experiencing it live. I was also reminded of what a hidden gem of a song it was. It was also quite special to experience the pairing of Fukuyama's live performance of the Macross 7 opening theme, Seventh Moon, with a video of Basara performing that same song, compiled from Yuta Macross. Normally, you'd expect the live performer to play in sync with the accompanying video. In this case, however, Fukuyama noted that since we aren't exactly performing to a metronome here, we're having the video match our playing instead. This tongue-in-cheek comment showed just how much value he places on the spontaneity of live gigs. Naturally, the performances weren't an exact match. But still, seeing the passion of the animated Basara, clad in a whole range of costumes, while listening to Seventh Moon performed live was quite a thing to behold. Next was time for an acoustic corner, a more laid-back, chill period in the middle of the set. After treating us to a solo, acoustic rendition of a popular walk-year song from Macross, the laid-back feeling he captured was reminiscent of show-era pop. Fukuyama invited special guest, Nobutoshi Kana, to join him on stage. The duo shared a fun memory from the production of Macross 7, of a scene where Kana had been asked to ad-lib a song to Fukuyama's guitar, leading to a cheery new rendition of that same song, remixed for this very occasion. They capped it off with a proper duet, before we plunged headlong into the second half of the concert. During the second half of the concert, Fukuyama continued to direct his burning passion towards the entire universe. Next up was the very first song I wrote for Macross 7, My Soul for You. This is a song that builds from a quiet start, with note after note slowly being added, and Fukuyama's vocals match that growing fire. I will never forget the sight of him in that moment, singing his soul out, on stage, right before our very eyes. Another special moment came with a song accompanied by just the keyboard. Although the audience was unable to join in, it felt like we could hear the chorus singing along. With the audience pumping their fists to many a song, it was clear that the stage and the floor were as one both in heart and soul. As the concert drew to a close, Fukuyama reflected on what he had learned anew, that thinking about each and every lyric as I sang has reminded me once again just how positive and optimistic Becerra is. And I understand why you all continue to support him. Then the final song reverberated through the venue, bringing the curtain down on this unforgettable Yokohama performance. One at which Becerra had, once again, brought great courage and energy to each and every person in the audience. Text, Junichi Tsukagoshi Photo Macross 7 Becerra Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber live stream event, Macross 7 Becerra Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber supported by Sankyo live stream. Date January 28, 2022, 1900 hours. If you start watching in the middle of the live stream, the video will continue to play from that point and cannot be rewound. To access, customers who purchase a ticket will receive a URL once payment is finalized. Archive streaming period, until February 3, 2022, 23:59. Once the live stream is over it will be prepared for archive streaming. Archive streaming will not be available during this time. Archive streaming will be unavailable from AM.2:00 AM.8:00 on the first and third Thursday of each month due to scheduled system maintenance. Streaming, platform streaming. Price 3,000 yen fees, surcharges not included. 3,219 yen fees, surcharges included. Ticket information ticketing site https://eplus.jp/becerra-explosion2022_ol https://ibeplus.jp/becerra-explosion2022_ol right angle countries/territories, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Hong Kong, Indonesia, South Korea, Macau, Malaysia, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Taiwan, Thailand, United Kingdom, America. Ticketing period January 13, 2022, 22:30, February 3, 2022, 2100 hours. Ticketing inquiries ePlus customer support site https://eplus.jp/streamingplus-user guide. Please be sure to read all related information and warnings on the ticketing website before proceeding with your purchase. Please be aware that the details above are subject to change without notice. Copyright 1994 Big West / Macross 7 Project. Macross 7 Becerra Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber event, Macross 7 Becerra Explosion 2022 from Fire Bomber. Japan tour dates / venues, January 9, 2022. Opens, 16:30. Starts, 1800 hours. /ZEP Yokohama event over inquiries, Next Road TL, 03-5114-744414 to 1600 hours weekdays. January 2, 2022. Opens, 17:30. Starts, 1900 hours. /ZEP Namba inquiries, Sound Creator TL, 06-6357-4400. January 22, 2022. Opens, 16:30. Starts, 1800 hours. /ZEP Namba Osaka inquiries, Sound Creator TL, 06-6357-4400. January 4, 28. Opens, 17:30. Starts, 1900 hours. /ZEP Diversity. Special, Guest Nobutoshi Kana. Band F Band. Price all seats, 8,000 yen tickets for all performances sold out. Please be aware that the above information is subject to change without notice. Copyright 1994 Big West / Macross 7 Project. For all the latest news regarding the Macross franchise, official portal site macross.jp, official Twitter @Macross_BGWST, official YouTube ch.